Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making pepper snail. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Inside this bowl here, I have snail, water, vegetable oil, chopped tomatoes, chopped pepper, chopped onion, salt, 2 Maggi cubes, ginger powder, lemon and garlic powder. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. The first thing I will do is to cut the snail into 2. And open it just like this, as you can see. Then put it inside the bowl. After that, I will squeeze the lemon on the snail. Then use the lemon to scrub the snail. Then put it inside the bowl. Now we pour salt all over the snail, then add water. Now we wash it very well to get rid of the slimy substance. There are several items that can be used to remove the snail slime, such as alum, garri, salt, lemon or lime. You can use any of these to remove the slimy substance from the snail. After that, I will pour the water out of it. Then rinse it with fresh water until the snail is clean. Then put it inside the pot. I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add onion. Then pour water inside. Then stir it round. I will cover with lid and leave it to boil for 20 minutes on a high heat. It's up to 20 minutes now. I will drain the water and set aside. I will pour the oil inside the fry pan. When the oil is hot, I'll add my onion. I'll fry it until it becomes translucent. Now we add the chopped tomatoes. Then stir it round. Then add the chopped pepper. Then stir it round. Cover with lid and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, it's up to 10 minutes now. I will add 2 Maggi cubes, ½ teaspoon of salt, ¼ teaspoon of ginger powder, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Then stir it round. Now we add the cooked snail. Then stir it round. Cover with lid and leave it to simmer for 5 minutes on a low heat. It's up to 5 minutes now. I'll stir it once for the last time. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my pepper snail. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.